Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So we have to start with opening the settings, and let's begin with tapping on About Phone. Then let's localize OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then we can go back and scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Here, scroll down again and enter developer options. And now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. In my case, this option is turned off, so to turn it on we have to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.